Good day everyone, welcome back to the studio. I hope everyone's doing well. We're in lockdown. We've been in lockdown for about a week. And yeah, so it doesn't really affect me that much. I'm pretty much a hermit when it comes to, I don't really go out a lot. But anyway, what I have here is, these actually are some really big straws, big fat straws. So I'm just cutting them in half because I'm going to use them for like for scooping up my glitters and things. So here's what I want to do. I haven't got my resin done yet, but I've got lots of glitters and things and cool little things that I want to really try out. So what I'm going to do is just go like this, see? Just like having a little funnel right there. So then I just want to pop some in there. These are little beads, iridescent beads. Ah, I forget that I've got a hole on. I might just block that hole. Okay, good old sticky tape. I blocked a hole now. So these are some really gorgeous iridescent beads. And I'm just going around and I'm just going to pop them in there. So I've got two molds that I'm doing today. It's only because I want to try it a couple of different ways, and might as well have one ready just in case I have some resin left over. So anyway, that's that. I want these in there. They're so cute. I do need a little pokey thing to push them in like that. So they're in. They will move, of course. What a warm day it is today. Such a hot day, which is great. Okay, so I'm just going to go around and try different things. Might just go around with the glitter. I just open these glitters, and they come with these little, hang on a minute. Let's pop it out before I make a mess again. I put these little Casca lids, or Casca seals they're called, on top, but I totally forgot it was there. So when I opened it, it popped out straight onto my, and you know, spilled some glitter onto my mold, and I was not happy about that. So don't do that. Whatever you do, move your molds first before you open your jars. So right, what to do? Oh my gosh, totally prepared. So anywho, let's go around. I might just go around with some of this. Now this is going to be a bit difficult to, well, maybe not. These are polyflakes. Oh yeah, this is going great. I just want to put them on the edge here. Maybe even a spoon would work better than this. Oh, that is so nice. So I'm just going to go around doing this. I'm going to speed this bit up so you don't get totally bored with me. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Polyflake Aqua, doing 2 of them, and then 2 of the coasters I'm going around with the Snow White Polyflake, and then going around with the new Pearl Lilac Ultra Fine Glitter. It's a new addition to Le'Rez Glitters. Okay, now that is done, that was fun. I'm going to use some Chameleon pigment here. This is Violet Indigo Blue, which is quite a pretty, probably can't see that on there, pretty color shift. And I'm just going to go around and brush the sides and the bottom of this mold. I wasn't planning on using it. I just thought of it. I was going to just put colour on top and just leave that part there clear. And then I thought, nah, I'm just going to use my chameleons because I love them so much. So I'm just going to go in there and just kind of do a little bit of a jiggle so it goes right in there and it's not a straight line. And then I'll be back. Just going to go around sure I do the sides as well. Now I'm thinking maybe I can do each coaster a different color. What do you reckon? I might just do that. This is going to be a bluey purpley color. And yeah, I might just go and pick another color actually. Okay, I picked another one. So I've painted these two with this color, and now I've got the purple plum gold. And I'm going to paint this one down now. Okay, so here we go with the chameleon colors and just sort of brushing it on. I know I did say painting it on, but it is kind of like painting it on. It's so easy and you're saving so much. Making some little dots there with just my wet alcohol wipe, just because I wanted to put some of those poly flakes on there and I wanted them to show. And now going around with just some clear and covering the actual areas that I want to be clear. So I'm doing that first, and now I'm going with my sapphire blue epoxy paste and then alternating between the clear and the sapphire blue. And here I've kind of run out a little bit, so I just added a little bit more of the clear resin, so that's why it looks a little bit more transparent. But I thought, oh, I'm just going to go with it and putting some lines which kind of disappeared, and I knew that was going to... Okay, here we are the next morning. I've started taking them out, so I'm just going to take them all out. Look how nice and easy they come out. They look pretty even on this side, but I had a little sneak peek of one of them. Sorry, I just couldn't resist. So this was the blue sapphire, or sapphire blue. Ta-da! How pretty. And it's nice and transparent, just like I wanted it. And that's sitting nicely in there as well. Let's get this one. These were the opposites. See, different colors. I like them. I do. So this is pretty much going to be the same as that. And this one, same as that. Everything stayed in place-ish. And you can see a little bit of that line there. I actually quite like that, of that blue. Makes it a nice transition. So it's not just, you know, bland. I like it. Let me know what you think. So these, okay, well, some of them are a little bit messy, but you get that. But I really love these flakes. Oh my God, they're so gorgeous. Now, oh geez, they're so iridescent. And that glitter. Okay, so now I have another idea that I want to do. So stay tuned. There'll be more coming. But look at that. How pretty is that? Give it to someone as a gift. And you can even use the other side if you like it. Let's have a look at the other sides. Look at that. That's so pretty as well. So because I didn't go all the way up the top, I'm going to sand this just slightly. And here. That's going to take me 5 minutes, but even that, the depth, you can see that through there. I know the color looks very cobalty blue, but it's not. It's a really pretty blue. Anyway, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again very shortly. Bye. Mm-hmm.